Welcome to a beautiful episode of Namaste America. Today is Saturday and we are having a program going on in our community and it's called Spring Fling. So usually when the spring just starts, they do a program called Spring Fling with all these kids activities and booths and dog stuff and all the cool stuff. So it's not a big festival, it's only allowed for the residents. So we are just going to go there and check it out. So Ami, you ready? Where are you going?
We're all going to the same place. We've already informed them.
See, Spring Fling! Hey God, so I'm the only one without a bike. So everybody is... Stay until Afi comes. Don't start now. Hey, don't start. That's okay. I just wanna... Okay. So my whole crew is going biking and I'm the only one walking in this hot sun. So we live in a community in Waterchase called Waterchase, and Waterchase is so good with the kids activities. They do a lot of activities for Halloween, spring, fall, Christmas, pretty much any festival. They'll have Easter hunt. Easter hunt is coming, which is really big. So before the Easter, they start this program called Spring Fling, and pretty much all the shops around in this neighborhood or in the Waterchase area, they'll bring their stuffs and kind of marketing, but they also give out some goodies for the kids. So I'm here at the soccer field. You can see there's a lot of people around. So I just wore my mask. I got some popcorn and my kids went to get some ice, the Kona ice, which is their favorite, especially during summer. So I'm just going to see whether they are there. And there are a lot of activities going on. There is a hula hoop contest behind me. I can show you one minute. What you are seeing is few food trucks. There is a Kona ice, barbecue, and one more food truck. And kids, like people are still starting to come. So this program is from 11 to 2 a.m. 2 p.m. And you can see some school slides for the kids to play around. And I don't know if it's summer, it's pretty hot. I'm not sure how these kids are sliding. But there's a lot of kids activities for sure.
Finale winner is, guys. So everybody give each other some space. You can start spinning your hoops. All right, stop them. This is for real. Third and final round. You ready?
This one you can see, it's a birthday banner. One of the kid in our community started this business and it's going really well. You can put this board outside your home for graduation or birthday or pretty much any occasion. So it's getting really hot in here, so we are planning to grab some popcorn and go back home.
Grab a hoop.
There's popcorn
If you're not a
here.
finalist, do not grab a hoop.
Nice hot popcorn.
Finalists, give each other some room.
Me too.
We got 4 finalists. This is for bragging rights. The
So
hula hoop
cute.
champion of Waterchase. The
You
hula
like
hoop
it?
champion of Waterchase. Go
You
ahead
like
and
the
start
program?
spinning them, get some
Nice.
practice in.
Thank you. It's a popcorn machine.
She's got all the bragging rights to say that she is the champion, hula hoop champion of Waterchase. Good job for everybody that participated. You guys are all champions.
So I was looking around for my kids and I found them. They're enjoying the Kona ice. They're not interested in anything else. Hey girls, what are you eating? What ice is this? What is it called? Huh? Oh, okay. Kona ice. Okay. Is it good? Can I take a small bite, please?
Guys, we do have a wrap. Navigate Chiropractic.
Oh, thank you.
Ticket to Good Health, a $225 value. All you gotta do is sign up with them for a free assessment, guys. And it's gonna come with a thorough health history.
It's good. Oh my god, it tastes so good.
Assessment, doctor's findings and recommendations.
So we are
and all
here
necessary
and there is a lot of kid
exercise,
stuff
guys.
going
It's a
on.
really good opportunity.
There's
Make
face
sure to sign up
painting,
with them.
there is
Sign up with
popcorn.
Regina Carter.
Oh my god, that's my flower. Oh.
Regina Carter, sign up, guys.
Okay, we have to go and sign up because the Regina has a gift basket and I just want to go and sign up. Let's see, they have a $250 gift basket they're giving for free. I mean, if you win the raffle.
But first, guys,
Ooh, Afi. Hope you guys enjoyed a lovely morning with all the spring stuff and activities in our community. Please like, watch and subscribe to my channel Namaste America. So until next episode, this is Sajna signing off. Bye bye.